Hello. I'm Chad.
I'm JT.
Alright, so these are the materials you will need to do an oil change on your car. We're actually doing an oil change on JT's Infiniti. Can you tell us about your car, JT?
It's an 09. It's an M35. It's a V6 running under that hood over there. And she's pushing like 300 horsepower, so you give her a little pepper, you'll be skirting down the highway.
Okay, so thank you, JT, for your explanation of your car. So we'll start with the oil, of course. Go to your local AutoZone, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Pick up just whatever oil you need for your exact car model. You're going to need your drip pan. You're going to need your funnel, your ratchet set, your breaker bar. You're going to need, if you're changing the oil filter thingamabob. And then you'll need your oil filter, of course, and maybe some shop towels.
So first you want to grab your owner's manual. Found that in the trunk. That's where it's stored. Every car might be different, might be in the glove box, but you want to locate that. That's where you'll get your information on what you should do with your oil. Do you recommend replacing your oil filter if you are going to change your oil? That filter in there, it's going to get pretty murky and stank, so you're going to want to change that out.
Alright, so step one, you're going to want to go through your owner's manual of your car and look for where the jacking points are. That is key to jacking up your car.
So Chad has actually located the jacking points. Currently he's putting it under the vehicle, and he will start pumping that thing up pretty fast. We'll see here the car will start to lift, and that is what we want to see. There we go. Yeah, give a little mustard, Chatter. There we go.
So JT right here is putting the first jack stand under on the left side. So we're gonna put the jack stand under on this side,
Jack it up on the other side.
and then we'll
Do the same thing.
All right. So as you can see, we got the jack stand under the support beam of the car. We're bringing the main jack out. We're gonna go on the right side of the car now and jack that side up. Here we go. All right, we got JT lifting up the car on the right side.
She's gonna be getting up pretty soon. Chad, you want to take over
Wheel
here?
off the ground.
Yeah, you got this, JT.
Alright, thank you.
Here we go.
Let's get her up.
It keeps going. Ooh, she's getting off the ground all right.
She's squeaking.
Thank you, Tracy, for getting those angles.
Yes, sir.
I think we might be high enough.
All right, here we go, and we're gonna put the second jack stand under here.
Yes, we are high enough. Is the other one sitting off? I hope it's not.
It is so chill. Here we go. We're gonna lower it,
Very slowly though. There we go.
and we got the car jacked up.
Wait.
Gosh, I just want.
Alright, so we're gonna protect Chad's driveway here.
Very nice.
Put a little tarp under there. Just in case we get a little splatter. Which might be a squirter.
So now we're gonna
Skid
take
boys?
off the skid plate, locate the oil reservoir, and drain it.
We had to remove there.
We definitely found the oil reservoir though. We found the oil reservoir located right here. This is the bolt you unscrew to get the oil out. Here's the oil filter right here. We're gonna replace that bad boy too. Here we go.
Wait.
Oh boys. Need some support here. Might need to grab the breaker bar actually.
Breaker bar.
Breaker bar? This is why you need that breaker bar actually. Once it gets about finger, there we go. So it's about finger loosen zone right now. Gonna wanna.
There she goes.
Yo, grab it, grab the screw.
Oh, where is it? Where is
It's
it?
in there. Go deep. Yeah.
She's squirting.
Ew. Throw out the shockers.
She's murky as hell though. Haven't changed her in a bit.
So the oil fishing up, draining. We're gonna put the new oil in.
Just cleaned up a little. Just gotta get all the muck off, you know. It's all good though, cause that's what the.
Wait.
Alright, so if you could pass me the camera, Dane.
Yes, sir.
We just got. Oh god. We just got the bolt back on. JT's just tightening a little more here. All the oil is out.
Wanna make sure she's tight.
All right, so make sure you don't turn on your car because you have no oil now.
Although, why would you?
Here, what you gotta do is you gotta move this guy. So put this guy moves like that. Oh, which way was it again? Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Dude, the problem is this crossbar is in the way.
The
Sway bar.
That's loosening, right? Yeah, I know it is. Dead ass fight.
JT's struggling to get this oil filter off. Chad is gonna go give his mom a kiss.
Going all in here.
Taking a little break from the oil change at Audi dealership, picking up the turtle shell. Here we go, boys. So, after many hours, finally got. Oh, it's dripping, dripping.
GT coming in with the drip pan.
Finally got the filter off.
Oh! Square.
Filter's off. Good work, boys.
Shout out Chad Hines.
Good work, Chad Hines. She's dripping.
Chad gets the drip from his walk. Chunky murky. Chunky murky. No way.
So we have to
The
remove
chunky
the
murky.
oil filter.
Let's go.
The auto towels.
What?
Shop
Shop
towel.
towel. Shop
Oh,
towel.
shop
Shop towel.
Shop towel.
Grab
This
that.
is why you need your shop
Grab that,
towels,
baby.
friends.
Grab that.
Yep.
Got it. Shop towel.
Shop towel required. Shop towel grab.
Coming out, my guy.
Ooh.
Alright, so we got the old one right here, plugged her up. She was leaking pretty good. Got the clean blackie going in. Maximum efficiency, let's go.
All right, pull
The micro guard.
We're gonna need pull the drip pan out.
To Chatter. Here we go, Chad. What up, Chad?
Twisting in here. Oh, drippage. We got drippage.
That's why we got the tarp though.
Oh, we got
And shop towels. Shop towels, of course.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Shop towel too. Good work.
Get nice and sturdy on there.
Get it nice and tight in there.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
New oil
oil
filter
filter.
installed.
Now we
Finishing up, putting on that last skid plate. Chad is a grinder. Look at that boy. He is grimy.
We're gonna grab the funnel here, stick it right in there.
And fill her up.
Got some clean casserole. You already know. Top of line.
Thank you, JT.
Liquid gold, baby.
Make sure not to overflow the funnel.
He's a little extra thirsty, so we had to throw another quart in. You already know.
Now we're gonna need to put the skid plates back.
We're
In
not
there,
gonna film
huh?
that because it's boring. But
But-
we'll catch you guys in a second.
Put back on the plastics, the heat shielding. That's it for that.
Alright,
Leave.
finish with the oil change. JT's gonna jack it up. We're gonna get the stands out. It's got new oil in there.
Looking clear.
Right side, getting the other jack stand out.
She's good to go.
Complete. We'll let her down slow.
Oh, that squeaker.
That